join this webinar. So we will record it and we'll share it with them.
So before we build a boat, we must understand the process. Who start the RPA? If a process changes every week, if decisions require deep human judgment, if data is very messy, or if the risk is very high, then automation may not be the first step. A professional automation specialist knows not only when to automate, but also when to pause. The second outcome is parts. The first is foundation. Then tools, business process, hands-on logic, governance, and roadmap. This sequence clearly. For example, now RPA stands for Robotic Process Automation. The word robot, if this task follows a clear rules and happens repeatedly, then a software bot can be trained or designed to perform many of those steps. The second functions, but when we combine RPA with AI, automation becomes more powerful. For example, if the process is broken, improve it first. Now, in this slide, we can show the workflow. For example, first we have a trigger process, then we go for open app, then we go for read data, apply rules, update, record, and send report, the last moment. Okay, now valid record. What happens if the email is missing? What happens? Okay, attended attention runs with a human user, right? Now, the professional RPA design always considers people, risk, and support. Now, this is called as RPA cycle, how the process starts and what are the steps. Okay, the first step we have discover, then we go for assesses, design, build, test, deploy, and monitor. Okay, this is like a life cycle, and it shows the automation is not just building a bot, building what we are using. For example, we have UiPath, how UiPath automation, automation anywhere, and Microsoft Power Automate. Now, automate. Many student and organizations are already familiar with Microsoft tools such as Excel, Outlook, Teams, SharePoint, and OneDrive. This makes Power requirements simple. Student join with a laptop browser like you are joining here. This allows customers. If everyone describes the process differently, confusion happens. BPMN. Now, this slide introduces the automation opportunity canvas. This is important. I choose it here. Design a simple bot before touching a complex platform. This means a bot should not blind send emails to everyone. It must check whether the record meets the criteria. If the email is invalid, governance means the rules, roles, controls, and monitoring around automation. Who can create bots? Now, this slide contains how to measure automation impact. This is very important because automation should be evaluated with evidence, not with excitement. A demo. Now, for the students, I say KPI-based registration evaluation can strengthen methodology and make the project publishable or industry relevant. Now, this slide places RPA inside modern IT architecture. This is modern images. The third element is LLM copilots. Large language. Okay, this slide gives student realistic 90-day roadmap